Hello, we are RedDogFish. We offer eSIM all over the world. We just launched 1.5 months ago, and now we have a lot of subscribers.
What is this mascot?
Is dogfish. Like you see, as
Is it dogfish?
Yeah, dogfish. It's a bit curious because it should be like the name is dogfish. It means like a shark, type of shark. But our design team create this.
And you have the mascot walking around the show?
Yeah,
it's very popular.
Popular. Our mascots.
Let's go closer to the wall over there. So I see, if I go over here, it says the only connection you need, instant SIM, it's an eSIM solution. What's special about your eSIM solution? What is special?
You can use only one eSIM for all countries. You install it once, and then you just buy the packages what you need to the country where you travel. And the second one you can like create by your own package what you need. It's like a lot of GBs, a lot of days. You can choose everything. I need 1,000 GB. For now, no. But we calculate that 60 is enough. But,
60?
Yeah, 60. But we can do...
in every country?
In every country, yes, of course.
And the price is okay for 60?
Yes, of course. You can check.
How good is it?
How good?
How good is the price?
Very good. I can show you.
Are you one of the best if you compare with other eSIM in terms of price?
No, we are competitor. We a good competitor, but we don't offer the less price. We offer a good service, good connections,
special functions, features, right?
The first is your custom package. The second one, you don't need to reinstall eSIM. You can buy every country with one eSIM. The third one is like we have the holds. If you, for example, go and climb the mountain and you understand that you will not use your eSIM, you can freeze it and then continue using. And the fourth one is like we have live people in support. I can call and show you the team which are setting and help people.
Is it a monthly subscription or you buy the gigabytes and then you can use when you want?
You buy gigabytes and you buy days. So not a subscription, it's like prepaid model.
It's great for people who travel a lot.
Yeah, it's only for traveler. Now it's only for traveler, but later you will see the option from us is for IoT, and now we're like building the B2B cabinet, which which companies can connect us, and it will be the 4 points of touches. I mean, for another ways to partnership.
Maybe if I want to track my car, I could have a tracker in the car. Some function.
Yeah, it will come
and
soon.
It's very low data.
Yeah, I know.
And the price will be cheap.
Yeah. You can control this data and control everything from our B2B cabinet, but it will come soon because we just started.
And where are you from?
I'm from Ukraine.
And you have other Ukrainian colleagues in the company?
Yes, we have more than 30 colleagues. We are in Ukraine.
You based there or you
No,
around
we're based
the world?
in Ukraine.
Wait, which city?
Kyiv city, yeah.
All right.
We have the office there, and we all come here from Ukraine.
If you do a great eSIM company, you could have a huge market, right? How big is your market now?
For now, it's around 2K of people, but we just launched. We promoted us like less than 1 month. That's why we are working on it.
And maybe you could have 2 million customers in the future?
Yes, of course. More than 2 million. Of course, more 2 million.
You have a lot of discussion here at the Web Summit, huh?
Yeah. It's a lot of people, a lot of meetings.
And you have your dogs walking around?
Yeah, it's our dogs. Awesome dogs.
I think these dogs are very popular, and when people come to the booth, there's a very tasty
RedDogFish.
What is a drink?
Yeah, it's like I don't remember. It's sangria.
Special mix.
Yeah,
people like it.
Yes, they were like it, and this This drinks is created for us with our colors by our Ukrainian
I just hope your guys are not too hot.
sorry?
It's a fresh day, so they don't get too hot in the dog costume.
Yeah, it's good temperature for them.
HDMI technology powers the global ecosystem of connected devices, enabling advanced displays that deliver immersive visuals and sound across entertainment, professional, and everyday applications.
As the preferred technology for digital AV connectivity, HDMI technology and the features and benefits it enables
Links billions of products worldwide, from HD TVs, set-top boxes, and laptops to gaming consoles, projectors, and audio-video receivers. It provides the reliable, high-bandwidth connectivity needed for today's ultra-high-definition video, lifelike color accuracy, and immersive sound formats. HDMI technology drives innovation across industries, including digital signage, medical imaging, education, and esports. With unmatched performance, interoperability, and scalability, HDMI technology continues to define how content is created, shared, and enjoyed around the world.